Oh, shit. Wow, snowman. Look, I didn't even notice Cam. Look, snowman. Stop global warming.
No, I have the camera.
It's so cold in my pants, though. It's so warm.
Austin, jump in the pile again.
No, no, bitch.
Cam, jump in the pile.
All the way up, Cam. Oh, that was terrible for like 5 minutes. Oh, my legs.
Oh, you better not get in my car. Alright.
It's not yours, it's your mommy's.
Oh, look, they're trying to beat ourselves.
Backflip.
Get out of here. Bullshit. Here, Maggie, take a picture of all of us.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, stop messing it up.
Oh man, I killed.
Okay, let's make it bigger.
On my stomach or knee?
Either one. Are you ready?
Ready,
Go.
set, go. Oh! Adrian.
Oh my gosh. Don't be mean to me.
Watch this.
Alright, hey. Let's get this.
Who are those kids?
Cam, go.
Who are those kids? Get the hell out of me.
Hit Cam.
Yeah? Oh, damn.
You missed.
I know.
You're terrible, Austin. Austin, are your legs cold?
Yeah.
Cam.
Who is that?
Oh, I got you straight with vagina.
Ow, I'm so scared of her. Oh man, this is like wood chip.
I feel like I'm totally out of this because I have to. No!
Oh. Uptake to the face. Scared.
Guys, I've never had a snowball fight before.
And your first one's on camera.
Just like your first nose on Facebook.
Where did you used to live?
Savannah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Throw it in his eyes. I caught it. I wasn't prepared except me. Oh, that's cold.
I'm not doing it. I am someone who's in.
Maggie, I'm gonna go pee and I'll be back.
Austin, tackle Cam.
Hold on, I gotta pee first. I swear to you,
Oh, no.
Nice job.